Welcome back to another vlog and adventure. How's everyone doing today? And on today's episode, we're going to revisit the Miamisburg Mound. Wait till we get at the top of that. Well, it's sunny and the grass is greener from the last time I was here. I don't know what it is about this place, but every time I come here, it's always windy. But I'm redoing this video because the first time I was here, the grass was brown and I had my old camera which had no stabilization, and the sound of the wind sounded miserable. So I wanted to try it again, and I'm gonna try to record in the nuclear building down there, see if we can get some shots of that. All right. All right, let's go around and see what these signs say. Miamisburg Mound State Memorial. Says this mound is thought to belong to the Adena culture because of its iconic shape and the character of the burials. 1000 BC. That's cool. There's different pictures from like back in the day, I guess. That's before the stairs was built. You see the trees right there. It says photograph of Boy Scout meet at the Miamisburg in 1930s. How cool is that? 1930. This place has been here a long time. Let's see what's on this side. And there's other mounds in Ohio. There's a Serpent Mound near Peebles, Ohio. That's Adams County. I plan on doing a video there one day. Then you got the Alligator Mound in Granville. That's Licking County. This is Ohio. And here's a map of Ohio. It shows them working on it before they built the stairs. All right, without further ado, let's head to the top. What's sad is there's a golf course right next to this mound, so, but I'm not putting down golf at all. That's not what I'm doing. I'm just saying. But look, Miamisburg, Ohio. All right. Well, looks like we're about halfway up. See if we can scoot over here and at least the grass is greener this time. All right. I don't know. I know one thing. This is a lot of stairs, that's for sure. But I'll leave a link in the description box from the first time I was here. Go check it out and tell me how much better this is. Wow, I gotta take a break. Well, I'm getting the Stairmaster in today. All right, y'all ready? We made it. We made it to the top. All right, let's check out the view from up here. It's really green. It looks really nice. You can see way off in the distance from way up here. Yeah, the first time I came up here, there's a guy up here playing drums. There ain't nobody here today, amazingly. See that building right down there in the center of your screen? That's the Cold War Discovery Center. We're gonna go down there and see if it's open. If it's not, I apologize about that, and we'll try to get it in another video. But you can see way off. And the buildings in the center of your screen, that's where there's underground bunkers there where they used to like test like nuclear stuff for the World War I. That's really cool. All right, after we leave here, I seen a pretty cool spot we're going to stop and check out on the way back. But if you like these types of outdoor videos, please consider subscribing. Hit that like button. Hit that notification bell so we do not miss one episode. All right, fortunately it's time to go back downstairs. All right, it's time to venture back down the stairs. You can see off. Really nice. It's definitely easier going down than up. Should like it be having like an escalator or something, you know what I mean? That is definitely nice. Well, I hope that everyone enjoys the video so far. And if anybody wants to leave a comment, let me know. We're recording on a GoPro Hero 9 Black today, so the picture should be better. Stabilization is like 100% better, and it's pretty windy today, like it was last time. So we'll check out the wind sounds in both the videos, and leave a comment. Let me know. All right, don't go nowhere. There's still more to come. All right. I do apologize. That one place I was telling you about across the street, that radioactive thing, they're closed today. We'll try to get it at another time. But I just wanted to, I seen this spot the other day, so I just want to bring you down here. I think it's the Miami River, but there's a walking trail that goes like 20 miles. Where we're going to walk up just a little bit and well, the wind's blowing, so it's a nice and cool day in the shade, I guess. All right, this is like that walkway thing I was telling you about. Let's walk down. I don't know. Let's walk down here and see what's down here. This is a vlog and adventure channel for a reason, huh? Adventure. There's a little creek, a little stream down here. There's like the walkway. That's pretty epic. Let's go check out the other side. I think there's somebody fishing over there, so hopefully I don't disturb them. I don't know, we probably walk down this way. I can't go down that way. But we'll see what we can get into. And you see it's like All right. All right, let's walk down here. Let's check it out. All right, let's carefully walk down here. Wow. That's pretty cool. We're down at the river, y'all. Man, it's really nice down here. This is the Great Miami River. There's an old power plant that used to be there. Well, don't run anymore, but that's really cool to. I don't know if I really want to get my shoes wet to go across the creek, but all right, check this out. We're on the sandbar underneath the bridge. That's cool. Hang on. Look, check it out. All right. It's really nice in here, though. Let's go. Let's go up this way. Well, you tell it ain't rained in a while. This creek is pretty dry. Oh, this is pretty epic. I'm not sure what this is up here, but let's go see. Oh, look, check it out. I don't know, I might get my shoes a little wet, but it'll be all right. Let's see what's the best. Oh, that's pretty soggy up through there. And my shoes are not good for the water. That's pretty cool though. Yeah, the water's actually a little deeper up there. That'd be cool. How cool would that be to get under that bridge though? That'd be so awesome. Let's see. I don't see how close I can get. Oh, now a tree's in the way. Tell you what, saw something. I don't know if you guys see that. I think that's the tunnel that goes across the highway up here. Yeah, it is. I hear the cars now. Let's walk back down to the river down here. It is really nice. Those look like honeysuckles on those trees, but they're not though. If anybody knows what those are on those trees, leave a comment, let me know. I'm not sure what those are. Pretty nice though. Here's a closer shot of those. Does anybody knows what those are? Let me know in the comments. All right, I hope everyone enjoyed the video. I hope y'all had a good time. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing for more vlogging adventures, and hit that like button for me. Helps the channel, please. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so we don't miss none of the vlogging adventures. All right, I'm gonna jump off, saying goodbye from the Miami River. Y'all stay awesome.